Hey my guys, this is the third video I'm making today. This time I'll show you how to make the pizza dough. There I have the recipe, it's on German, so I hope you can read this somehow. Well, I'll begin with it. Let's get you into my pocket. So there we have 2 point something. Wait, that is not exact. I'll just put a little more of water. There should be like 2.1, it depends actually, like around 2.1 liters of water. For this much we need around 7 to 8 grams of yeast. Yeah, around this much. Just put it very seriously. Nah. So then I'm gonna put like 90 grams of olive oil. Yeah, around 90 grams, as I told you. Then we also wanna put some sunflower oil or whatever oil you have, but not olive oil, and well, not whatever oil you want. Actually, it doesn't make any sense. So yeah, just sunflower oil or anything like this, which is around 100 grams of it. I'll put it on the side, mix it. That's it. Then I have there a little bit of sugar. We want to... Okay. I want to put 140 grams of salt. 140. Like, doesn't actually really matter. No, I mean, like, if it's like 5 more, 5 less, it's alright. But around 140 grams. Because it's like not exact how much you should put. And I'm sorry, I need to make a fast one spaghetti aglio olio. I'll be right back. Okay, since I have a little bit of time while it's making, we wanna put salt and sugar together, put it inside, mix it really quick, let it be a little because yeah, I need to finish that, but later on we'll continue in a moment. So yeah, okay. So we continue. Of course, I'm working, guys. They are finished. That's what they are. So then we have a big pot, not pot, but yeah, I don't know how to say it. Kessel, German. Of German, yeah, type shit. Then we have some soft wheat flour type 00 for pizza. It's not especially for pizza, of course, but yeah. Oh, it got, yeah. Be aware that this thing can fuck up me. It can go anytime off. So I'm gonna be just. So we need like 2.8 kilos, around 2.8 kilos for me to make. Of course, it's for the hotel and stuff like that. Since I'm working in a hotel, you know. Oh, that's too much. That's too much. Oh no, actually it's not. Someone put the thing inside, so it got too much in a moment. But it's like 2.822, so we are good to go. We zero it. Then we have some wheat what is called flour type 480, which we need 1.2 kilos. If I remember correctly, because I'm doing it out of my head actually. I forgot to read the recipe from that I showed you earlier. Maybe I can actually see if I'm not cooking it wrong or anything. Uh, yeah, it was 1.250 actually, so it's even a little bit more. It's like 50 grams more. Yeah, it's whatever, 70 grams, 50 grams. As I said earlier, this is not so much important there because you can actually make it better if you put something more, something less somehow, because this recipe is not completely finished. Then, this is Semolino, and I don't know how it's called in English. I'm so sorry, guys. But we need of these 70 grams. I know you cannot see my hand or anything, but this way you can see. But yeah, I don't need you to see the hand probably anyways. But why not? Yeah, we put around this much. Let me put it back. Okay, there we have the whole. Let me show you. So there we have everything inside. Then we have this water with the oil, with the sugar, with the salt, which we put inside, pretty much, just like that. We don't really care about this, as for now at least. Then we take it, we walk a little bit to the machine, which can mix it pretty much. It's gonna be pretty much it after that, almost. It's good when you have the machine that can make it for you. If you don't, you can mix this with the hands. Of course, you're not gonna mix the whole 2 kilos or how much I put. It's like more than 2 kilos, although you're not gonna make it with the hands, of course, no. But if you do not have, you can mix it with the hands. It's not like necessary to make it with machine. This, for me, it's like just, I have the option to do that. We put 4.5 minutes around. When we put the speed on 1, so it slowly mixes. I don't know, can you see? Yeah. So it slowly mixes. Can happen like this, that you will need more flour or water. That can happen. You will see the consistency, and if you need, you put whatever you need, water or some flour. So yeah, it just depends. We'll see how it's gonna go. See us at around like 2 minutes or so. Okay, so why did I told you we'll see us in 2 minutes? First thing, in 2 minutes you will see already the consistency. So like, you can see that it's like that. This is good. This is like very nice. If it's hard, put more water. If it's too liquid, put more flour. It's obvious, but I was supposed to tell you that. Yeah, we continue. So, it's finished, pretty much. I'll take it out of there, first of all. Yeah, sorry for showing you the floor or whatever it was. But it's hard to be focused on both things at the same time. As I do that, this is so stupid. Well, yeah, it's like this. Also, one very important thing, you don't want to mix it too long. If you mix it too long, the gluten, I don't know how is it in English the same, will go out, and we don't want to have it. We don't want that. But let's go back to the thing. I'll be back in a moment. So, thing is, I just took it out of there. So, there we have it. Now we'll need to mix it once again a little bit with the hands. Just put it in and out, you know, stretch it a little bit and mix it with the hands a little. Just for 1 minute or even less, since I make it already with the machine. It's not so like important, but it is kind of important to make it. Then, sorry for the shake on the camera. we just wanna leave it for a bit. We wanna take one thing. Thing, yeah, I don't know how it's called again. My English is so ass. We wanna make less water, and we wanna leave it for like 5 to 15 minutes, just like that, covered. I'll show you later what to do with it, so we'll see us in like 5-10 minutes. Okay guys, I think it was like around 5-7 minutes. You will notice how long it was. I cannot wait. I just cannot wait to make it already. Like I am so bored. So what we wanna do is to cut out, like, first we wanna turn on the thing. Of course, my English is always shit. We wanna like stretch it and have one like bowl or something. Put it on. We see 300 gram. We see it's too much. We wanna make it smaller, and we wanna have exactly 235 grams for one pizza dough. Then what we want to do with it is we wanna stretch it and make it so round, and like make it as a ball and glad, I have no clue, round, yeah. We wanna like make some, like, move like this to make it close down, so just something like this. Put it in a box, press it, and later we cover it with this one. Also should be like somewhat wet, because overnight this pizza dough, this recipe is for the next day, so you cannot use this today already. If you need to use pizza dough today, what you need to do is to put more, what was it? It was, I forgot the English word. I think it was yeast or something. Hefe auf Deutsch. In German it's called Hefe. And we want to put like 20 grams or so to use it, like if you want to use it today. 240 is too much. As I told earlier, 233, no problem, it goes. Just make it like this, put it like stretch it from round, close it in the middle, close it maybe like, I'm closing it like this, you don't need to do that, and then we make it cute, round, like a ball. And to make sure that this is closed, we press it. As I told you earlier, we just take this, cover every single piece like this, around, yeah, so something like this, and we leave it to rest in a cold place around, like, I don't really know how much degrees it is, but it's like not so warm place, of course, because of the yield. Hefe gonna bring it very quick up. We don't want that, and because of that we put it in a cold place. So yeah, it's very important, and this is how you make it. Well, yeah, that's pretty much it. I showed you how to make it pretty much from pizza dough to the normal pizza. I showed you earlier in the second video. So yeah, I guess enjoy. Try to make it on your own. And one thing I forgot to say, how many portions will be this? This will be around, wait, how much you can put in one? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, around 5, 6, okay. So one is, well, it's like around 20, 25, 30 portions, if I'm not mistaken. How much did I told you? 5 times, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, sometimes you can put even 6. So around 5 times 3. Yeah, so 30 portions plus minus like 4 portions, I'd say actually. So it's like around 26, 27 portions, 27 pizzas. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Sorry for my calculation arc. That's it. That's how you make it, guys. Try it at home. And yeah, enjoy your pizza, I guess. See us in the next guide how to make, I don't know, maybe we'll make some pastas. We'll see what we can do there. But yeah, for now, that's it. Enjoy.